Hi, I'm Manavi from ASB.
And I'm Eva Danesh from KBEV. This is the week of January 6th.
And welcome back to the Norman Update.
The Dance Company annual show will be on January 22nd, 23rd, and 24th at 7 p.m. at the Wallace Annenberg Center for Performing Arts. Tickets are $10 and $20 and can be bought at the ticket window or on thewallace.org. Make sure to come out to support our beautiful dancers.
Beverly's chapter of the National Art Honor Society is putting out a call for artwork for our first all-school show entitled Dreams and Memories. Students are to turn in original artwork meeting the requirements to Mr. Fetterman, room 251, by this Friday.
Open House will be on January 15th, and KBEV is producing our 52nd Open House show. If you want to have your club promoted or mentioned during the show, please email our producers at the email in the video description. This is a great opportunity to give incoming 9th grade students a look into what high school is like and all Beverly has to offer.
Track and field makeup tryouts for those who missed tryouts in November will be held today, January 6th, from 3:15 to 4:30 p.m. There will be no makeups after this day. Also, athletes who tried out in November will not be allowed to re-try out.
On January 14th, from 1 to 3 p.m., there will be individual meetings with an SMC outreach counselor in the College Center. Check the bulletin for the link to sign up for your preferred time slot and to start your SMC application. Please have your application and online orientation completed prior to the meeting and come in with your SMC ID number and a copy of your high school transcript. Printable transcripts are available via parchment. Remember that this Thursday is an early dismissal day.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Manavi.
And I'm Eva Danesh. We will see you next week.